Happy birthday, David. What you got there?
Oatmeal raisin cookies with coconut.
Okay. A lot of newspaper?
Newspaper. More cookies, I'm assuming?
I guess so.
I think that's the bottom of everything.
So Aunt Mary was the one who started the discussion about what's your favorite cookie. Because I didn't know what your favorite cookie was. So she's the reason why we've all found out what everyone in the family's favorite cookie is. And
well, thank you very much, Aunt Mary and Uncle John. I will probably eat these tonight while I'm doing my homework.
Shit, no, open it up now so we can have some.
I told her I wanted to taste one.
Show her what it's like eating. Don't use your tongue, Uncle John will get too excited.
And don't mark all the cookies. Like
No, it's yours. You gotta start the first one. No, you first. No, I'm too full. It's your cookies.
I have to stop recording.
Okay,
So
go.
why don't you taste it first?
Very good. Thank you, Aunt Mary and Uncle John.
What is it?
Oatmeal raisin coconut.
Happy birthday.